Gotta wait till tomorrow, Zippy. And we do the hike up Princeton. This is radical. Better eat up for the hike. There's some people behind me coming, and I wouldn't, yeah, this is probably pre-twilight. This is a class 1 trail most of the way so far, and it ends right here. From here on out, it's class 2 like that. Well, the only benefit of the smoke is this nice, beautiful pink sunrise action going on. It's not the distance, it's the terrain. Look at this. This mountain makes you earn every inch. Look at this. I mean, this is the trail. You can't even see the trail. The only reason you know it's the trail is because, you know, you can kind of see you're following it ahead. Zippy. This is a tough one, and it's just as tough coming down as it is going up. There's been some sections of trail that have been a lot better than that really rocky stuff, so I made some decent time. But right here, this is what's going to separate the men from the boys. So now's where it starts zigzagging, and then it might be kind of leveled up there for a ways, and then that grades. Fortunately, it's not windy. I don't think it's going to be windy. That's why I crammed to get up here today. So this is steep, as you can see. Hey, Zippy. But fortunately, it's kind of more like class 1 trail. Way too early for wind, but I guess it's because I'm on the ridge. Right down there, you can see those people. The last break and made the last video. I'm right at the saddle where the real work begins. The summit's about 50 feet past that high spot. So essentially that's it. The good news is that, as expected, the scree is smaller. It's not boulder hopping. But the problem is it's smaller rocks and loose gravel, and it's literally about 50 degrees angle. So it's a real problem with slipping and falling. You gotta be careful not only to fall, but if you fall, you could start going down. So it's taxing. There's the reward right there. Weather's good. I'm gonna make it. 14 or number 9. This is getting to a point now where it's tricky to find a place to even take a break. All right, Zippy, let's get this peak. Let's get it. Get some. Okay, according to my altimeter app, I'm at 13,863. Thank goodness it's not windy at the moment. That would make it really bad. This smoke and haze is just ruining the views, ruining them. Let's see how Zippy does on some class 2. This is easier than most of it's been. Okay, girl, come here. Slow, easy. Easy. Come on. Pick your lane. There you go. There's no easy lane. Come on, girl. Good girl. Your paws are gonna need a month to recover. Good girl. Drinky? I bet you do need a drinky at this point. You better drink it all. You don't have any extra. that cone is our summit. The weather's good today, so whew. What are you whining about? You want that summit photo? We're gonna get it. You think coming up this is hard. Coming down is twice as hard. Look at this. It doesn't look that bad there. I mean, oh yeah, it's rocky. Oh, that looks hard, blah, 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 blah. But when you turn around and look at the actual grade, I mean, this is, the only word for it is treacherous. Literally treacherous. You did good, Zippy. There wasn't a lot of people on the mountain, especially for a Sunday in summer. But the people that met you really liked you. Oh my God, look how tired she is. Oh my God. Like, Daddy, why in the hell do you cram 3 months of exercise into one day? Right. I'm only about 150 feet from the top, and this is the shelf. There's only one place to pass, and it's right up here a little ways in that turn. You can also see right at the vegetation line over there, you can see where the trail goes up. That's where the hike goes to Mount Princeton. Oh boy. This is a rocky road, slow going. I got it in 4 low and then all the way down into low, and I'm still riding the brakes. Go! Look at the horsies. That horsey wants to be your friend. Zippy, look at the horsies. Look at the horsies. All right, we got the filet mignon, pineapple, grilling up, hot dogs for Zippy. What kind of lucky doggy gets filet mignon in the Rocky Mountains after hiking a 14er? There's 2 pieces of filet mignon in Italian dressing. There's 3 pieces of grilled filet mignon in Italian dressing. 4. What a lucky doggy you are to have me as a daddy. What kind of lucky doggy gets to celebrate a 14er hike with High Mountain Pie Calzone in Leadville? You're so lucky. You're so lucky I'm your daddy. Who gets to celebrate hiking Mount Princeton with Cheesecake Factory, turtle, pecan? Zippy does. Zippy, the lucky doggy with the best daddy in